SL2 guys, and I was actually able to book some overtime tomorrow because there's going to be a marathon in Jacksonville, and the news wants us to cover it. So it's just been a bit more of the same today. We flew up a bit earlier to go check out an accident, and yeah, now we're just chilling again. Lots of chill time here at this job, you know, except when I'm flying. It's fun just walking around an airport too, you know, without TSA hassling you the entire time. So, just got a call and about to take off again. No, I'll not put you guys through that entire montage of me getting and starting everything up again. As we were pulling in, pilot said that he saw a tortoise coming out of a hole. Check this out, guys. Oh. So just been chilling in the room. I have video games and stuff, but I've been doing some work and updating my LinkedIn profile and resume and all that good stuff. Coming in early tomorrow though, because they're going to be running a marathon and downtown Jackson, so I gotta. Anyway, heading back over to Gabe and Tracy's as soon as I get off work in about 50 minutes actually.